The hidden cost of CRE tech is that the technology in your building can be complex. You may have vendor contracts that aren't at current market rate, and you're paying too much just for value. A lot of these things can add up, and they're a hit to your bottom line. Sometimes your vendors may be under contract to fix things or to maintain things, and they're not doing it. Sometimes those things fail, and now you have to panic, pay to get something running, to keep your tenants safe, to keep your visitors comfortable. You need to make sure that you're on top of it, that you have someone guiding you to stay on top of it.
You replace your smartphone every 2 or 3 years. You upgrade the tech in a building every 10, 15, 20 years. What that means is over time, the tech builds up, and its inefficiencies and the investments you have become a larger and larger chunk in your budget without you realizing it. We see this happen all the time with our customers, owners and operators of commercial real estate. And together as a team, we decided there must be a better way. And that's why we created the service of IntelliNet Optimize.